Atid ako pa. Atid ako. Salamat.
Thank you very much. Nanay, tatay, mami, daddy, mama, papa, ante, uncle, lolo, lola, mga kuya, o ate, everyone who helped these students be able to finish senior high school.
Salamat. Manangkamot yung ikaw kayo dito. Para magkatama ka na ang ato pamilya dahil ang ato pamilya. Kasi kung regular dugan ka, magandang kwarta kayo, arka, apoy, maghanap-hanap. Ibang kalikutagan ka. Ito ka sige. I-idol, sige. I-idol, sige. Kahit sa sigong regular, grabe ka kapoy. Kakagdag na gabi, kapere ka. Karong ka, nanandun ka kalimutan yung kang. Hindi ka magpapit sa ginong kang. Kami na nag-guide sa ato. Hindi na magpilan ito. Grabe mo. Kasi naman ako. Ito ha.
To the teachers, thank you for your undying support to these students. Thank you for the patience. Salamat sa pag-isog-isog para na lang makabot nila hindi na maekso sa ilang program. Thank you for being the second parents of these students. We commemorate this pivotal moment. We honor not only the culmination of your academic endeavors, but also the transformative journey that has shaped your minds and character, made the intellectual curiosity, knowledge, and connection fostered within our institution remain an indelible imprint in your lives, inspiring you to pursue excellence